Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact platform you use and why that matters for compatibility. Once done, make a full backup, files plus database, because themes change structure. Next, locate the theme source, a marketplace, developer bundle, or a zip file. Each requires a different install path. You should check version numbers and prerequisites like required plugins and make sure you have admin access. This immediate setup avoids rollbacks and speeds the install process when you proceed to upload or import. You upload and install the theme using the dashboard, FTP, or the theme installer. Choose the method that bypasses upload limits. Then activate the theme and install any required plugins. Those enable templates and demo imports. Once activated, run the demo importer if you want a quick start, then customize global settings like logo, colors, typography, and layout presets so content formats correctly. Make incremental saves and preview changes at different screen sizes so responsiveness and load behavior are clear before final tweaks. You now replace demo content with your real pages and posts, keeping SEO metadata and permalinks intact to preserve rankings. Then test performance, run a page speed check, review mobile layouts, and scan for plugin conflicts and accessibility issues. If something breaks, immediately revert to the backup you made, then disable non-essential plugins and re-enable them one by one while watching logs. That pinpoint method reveals the culprit. Finally, make one final backup of the working theme and export settings for future restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.